As you have learned all about BatchMan Special Calendar from our last video, we have here a small test for you to check out, if you have mastered it. Please read the requirements carefully and try to do it yourself. I will show you the requirements first, and then the answer with a quick run after 10 seconds. 1. Please create a special calendar for an invoice run with the following rules. A. Name. Invoice run, validity, 2023 to 2028, factory calendar, 01. B. Penultimate Thursday of the month. C. If a Thursday is not a working day, skip to the next working day. Now you can press pause. I will do a quick run to show you the answer. Two. Please create a special calendar for a Dunning run for the invoice run you just created. A. Name. Dunning run, validity, 2023 to 2028, factory calendar, 01. B. 10 working days after the invoice run. Now you can press pause. I will do a quick run to show you the answer. That's all about BatchMan Special Calendar. If you have any questions or advices, please feel free to contact us here.